In this video, I'm going to show you how to scrape unlimited leads through Yellow Pages for completely free. So I'm going to go into two different ways of actually scraping this data. The first way is going to be a free way that includes a lot of manual steps and is a bit annoying to do, but it is free. And the other way is a paid way, which it's very easy. You click a few different fields on what you want to scrape through Yellow Pages, you do it, and you get the data within minutes. So with that being said, let's just jump into it. So, what Yellow Pages is essentially a better filtered way of scraping Google My Business. Obviously, when you go on Google My Business or go to any business on Google, the data will be pretty accurate, but it won't be as accurate as Yellow Pages because they do the filtering for you. So, if you want to get access to restaurants, dentists, plumbers, contractors, salons, whatever you want to get access to as far as local businesses, Yellow Pages is a good route to go. Such as say, for instance, I want to get access to HVAC companies in New Rochelle, New York, for instance. I get access to a lot of leads here, right? There's over, what is this, 3,000 leads that I can get access to, right? Pretty cool. Now, with this, again, I'll show you the free way of doing this, of how to actually scrape all this data at the end of this video. But for right now, let me quickly show you the paid way. So the paid way of doing this is by coming to Lead Academy. It's our cold email coaching program. We essentially show you how to close clients through cold email and acquire, high quality leads, stuff like that. But one of our main utilities is data scrapers, right? Which is what I'm talking about in this video. So this data scraper specifically, again, it's going to be Yellow Pages. Instead of going and manually scraping each city by city with Yellow Pages, you can just go in, click the fields, and scrape all the leads you want. So once you join Lead Academy with our 7-day free trial, you'll join our Discord. You go /export Yellow Pages right here, and it asks you for a few different things, right? The first thing is going to be business type. You could do whatever you want. For this instance, I'll just do HVAC. It's just something that came to my mind. So I'll do HVAC companies. And then you have to put in the locations, right? So typically, again, you would have to go city by city with, if you want to scrape manually with Yellow Pages. But what we do, we make it simple where we make a Google Sheet for you where, you'll have access to this Google Sheet through the link in the description. And essentially, you can just go and download any of the 200 cities per state in the sheet, and you could just scrape the entire state. For the sake of this example, just to make it really, really quick, I'm only going to scrape like 10 different cities in Michigan just to make sure the scrape doesn't take that long. But essentially, that's what I'm going to do. And then I'll put in the location here. File, download, just pretend this is a big list of, every single state or every single city in Michigan. I'm just going to do 10, make it quick. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go to Discord. I'm going to do file, drag and drop that, put that in there, and then press enter. And I'm going to quickly pause the video, and I'll get back when the scraping is done. All right, so there you go. As you can see, the data came in. It just sends me a Discord direct message. I'm going to open up this sheet right here. I'll open it up in Google Sheets, and we'll be able to see the data that it pulled through Yellow Pages. So there you go. So you have all of the company names. You have the phone numbers of the companies. And you also have the websites. You could do whatever you want with this data, right? You can cold call them. You could take all this data, go to apollo.io and enrich the leads and find their emails. Whatever you want to do, with these leads, you could do it, right? So again, as you can see, right, it took like 30 seconds to actually get this data. It's really, really, really quick. And I get tons of data. And this is only like 10 cities in Michigan. So imagine how much data you could really pull at scale. Now, if I were to do this manually, right, I would have to go to, let's say HVAC in New Rochelle, New York. This is only one city in New York. So, this obviously isn't the most optimal, but it is the free way. I'm going to go here and I'm going to go and get download a extension called Instant Data Scraper. And essentially what it is, it's a tool that opens up on your screen and you get to scrape all the information on your screen. So you would go here, you'd scroll all the way down, and it would collect all the information. And how you collect all the information on all the other pages is you go and you click Locate Next button. You locate the next button, and then you go ahead and open the extension back up. And then you go ahead and then you press start crawling. And what it's going to do is it's going to scrape all the information, automatically. Now, again, this all seems good and all, but imagine you had to do this for every single individual city within every single individual state for every single type of company, right? HVAC, then there's roofing, then there's all these different types of companies. It's going to take a long time and a lot of manpower, or you can just get it done within a few minutes. So, again, this is going to be a super quick video. I just want to show you how to scrape yellow pages and the value that obviously we are providing with our tools to make it very simple for agency owners or anyone to scrape the information they want. So that being said, that is the end of this video. I think I covered everything. And if you found this video valuable, please do leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good rest of your day.